you look at that? Hey guys, welcome back to Yo-Yo and Ducky's Kitchen, and today it's a kitchen takeover with me, Ella. So I'm going to be making one of my favorite recipes today, so let's dive in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So we're going to be using store-bought cake mix, 3 eggs, vegetable oil, and water, but Ella's twist will be using some lime zest and some chocolate chips to create a chocolate cream to cover the cake. So stay tuned, guys. Let's do this. All right, guys, so here we have our cake mix. So we're gonna pour this into the bowl. Now that we have our cake mix, we're gonna add our vegetable oil. This is half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of water, and crack in 3 eggs. Now, mix it up. You want to mix until it's nice and smooth. Guys, now we're going to take our lime and we're going to zest it into the cake mix. All right, guys, now that we've zested our lime into our cake mix, we're gonna go ahead and mix well to combine. This lime zest is gonna add some acidicness to the cake to combat all the sugar. So we'll mix this up and then come back to you later. So this is the consistency you need to make sure that you know your cake is ready. After mixing this, we're gonna set this aside, and we have our cute little baking pan. So I'm gonna use canola oil spray, but you can use vegetable oil, olive oil, or butter. So let's spray up this pan, shall we? All right, guys, now we're just gonna use this to make sure every crevice of the tin is nicely coated in the oil, so nothing sticks, so our cake batter doesn't stick to the tin. Now here's our cake batter, and we're gonna pour it into this baking pan to bake in the oven. You want to stop here. All right, guys, so as you can see, we have our cake batter in here. We're just gonna lightly tap it against the table to get rid of any air bubbles, and then we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. So guys, after 35 minutes of baking, this is our cake. Doesn't it look beautiful? Now we're gonna set this aside. We're going to start to make our chocolate glaze. So we have here chocolate chips. We're gonna pour some into the bowl, and then we're gonna melt this in the microwave. You can see our chocolate glaze is looking very nice. This is the consistency you should be looking for. So we're gonna go ahead and drizzle this over our cake. And so this is our beautiful cake, and we're gonna go ahead and flip it over. Wow. Look at that. How beautiful. I think I did a pretty good job, guys. Comment down below and tell me what you think. We're gonna go ahead and cover our cake in chocolate glaze, but of course you can trim it if you want, so there's a flat surface. But if you're like me, I just wanna eat the whole thing. So we're just gonna go ahead and cover it. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and cover our cake in the glaze. Wow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and smoothen it out so it covers everywhere. All right, so now we're gonna cut our cake. And would you look at that, you guys? Beautiful. So comment down below if you guys like this recipe. I think this recipe is awesome, and delicious. So we're gonna leave the recipe down in the description box below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.